The secret of getting started is breaking your complex, overwhelming tasks into small, manageable tasks and then starting on the first one. We, the students of CSE 2 4th Sem, have taken a step towards success by organizing this event, TechVistara. I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you assembled here. It is the mark of an undying tradition to invoke the Almighty at the beginning of an important event. I would like to call upon TechVistara to invoke the blessings of God through an invocation song. Mr. Anand, Technical Manager of Railway Technologies Private Limited, Dr. Aishwarya P, HOD of CSE Department, and Dr. Nalinakshi of HOD of Math Department to kindly come on the dais. Now I call upon Sonali to give the welcome speech. give us some motivational.
Good morning, everyone. It's really nice to see all youngsters projecting all your knowledge and exhibiting it. It's the first time in Asia we have exhibition on what? Post semester. I have to congratulate the HOD of your department, faculties, and the students who have shown much interest. And I have to congratulate especially with for Emlata. Is it not she's the one who has motivated you on the subject? Yes, I congratulate her and I wish all the best on the NOT project and show your talent. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was really motivational. And now I call upon Mr. Anand sir to give us some words.
Good morning, everyone. I'm just your senior, so yes, I passed out in 2012 and technically in 2013. Okay, so yeah, it's like an honor for me, like to stand in the stairs and share this stairs with my teachers who taught me and made me successful. So yeah, like I mean, like when we were there, we never had this kind of exhibition, and I'm sure I do. Yeah, it was not there. So yeah, like it's good to see like everyone in white and black. Yeah, it was good, like playing some music in the background. It was like, yeah, kind of thoughtful. Yeah. I mean, like, I don't have much to say about the motivation part because you will get by your own. But yes, you need to like learn from others' mistakes or from your mistakes. But just learn. Okay. I'll keep going. So, yeah, all the best. Good luck.
Thank you, sir, for your presentation. Next, I would like our HODs, Dr. P. Aishwarya. Good morning, all. Good morning. Nice to see, first of all, fun-filled class to be more serious, and this project exhibition is really, I mean, it's nice to see you all with the great, the technical knowledge. And I know, of course, 8086, how difficult it is. I used to teach this subject. X86 itself is difficult with this ARM processor, Keel IDE, CBCS scheme. For the first time, we need to say a big wow to ourselves to go ahead for this exhibition. I congratulate the faculty coordinator and the students to take this and the department to a great level. Wish you all success. Thank you, ma'am.
I was happy to see the classroom clean. I used to tell them whenever I come, I can't clean your classroom and say last and really clean, but nice classroom. And I was happy to hear that post semester project is going. First time you made it.
Last time also they did. Second time also they did projects. No, microprocessor, CBCS, Keel IDE, the entire backlog. This is the first time. We are doing it. Next on stage, I would like to call upon Sarah and Kyle to come on to give us a brief introduction about the event.
A very good morning to the respected HODs, teachers and students gathered here. I am Sarah and is inspired from CS&E. We are representing our class and our thoughts about our journey in the microprocessor lab. Welcome to TechVistara 2017. At the beginning of each semester, most of us tend to categorize our subjects into two categories, ones that are hard and ones that are not. Microprocessors fell into the latter category for most of us. Our seniors warned us about this deadly yet intelligible subject. Unsure of the result, we dived into the subject, exploring our concepts not only through theory classes but also practical lab sessions. Diverging from the mundane routine, we were assigned with weekly projects, each project with a simple goal. We took a leap from our accustomed languages to a new programming language which left most of us clueless and helpless. One of the worst feelings as a learner is being helpless, weak and dependent. When faced with studying a difficult topic, we procrastinate, freeze or dive in with a kind of brute force problem-solving approach that yields more frustration than understanding. Projects became a simple as well as an effective method for our learning process. Our class strived to learn assembly language programming through the weekly onslaught of projects. We were divided into teams of 4 or 5 students. Our class is a diverse palette of different types of people. The general norm being we befriend who we can understand and relate to the most. Placing students so different and expecting them to work together would rather not be advisable. But right now, I can strangely and proudly say I did not know my own class could work so diligently to accomplish a goal, and now I do.
We will divide it into 15 groups. Each group has completed 3 projects, leaving us with an index of 45 projects along with 9 final projects. We have completed a total of 54 projects, simple to the experienced and complex for us learners. We have accomplished all these projects with teamwork and dedication. This is the index of all our group and team members with the projects they have completed. It contains 45 diversely coded projects. Some of the simple projects are swapping of 2 8-bit numbers and swapping of 2 16-bit numbers, searching for a substring in a given string, and generating a Fibonacci series. The final project comprises of 5 software projects and 4 hardware projects varying in complexity. From a very simple project we begin, step by step we ascended to these complex ones. We have programmed games as well as hardware projects with real-time application. In the first lab, I remember being perplexed on how I could print a 16-bit number on the screen. Now, today, we stand familiarized with the microcontroller, hardy devices which could help us in our further projects. Our projects may seem simple and easy. Now, they are for us too. When we look at our projects, we think we can list out the more complex ones that we could have done. But in order to do those, we had to do the simple ones first. We are fortunate to have teachers who appreciate us regardless. Under the guidance of our HOD, Dr. Ashwarya, we received the permission to exhibit our project, and she became the constant pillar of support and a catalyst for our success. Her imperative advice aided us to define our projects. Our beloved teacher, Mrs. Kevalata, was always a massive source from where we received our knowledge. Her enthusiastic as well as innovative objectives and vision set up a wide platform for us to enhance our skills. She held our hand through every step of this journey, guiding us and motivating us always. We stand here because of their support and encouragement. Without their help, none of this would be possible. Thank you, teachers.
Today, we know only a trivial portion of the subject. Yet, these projects allow us to explore the various concepts of the subject, opening up another domain for us to select from in the future. The initial opinion we held about the subject, that it was too hard to study and to understand, has been proved. We congratulate all our friends and teachers for all their hard work to make this event a reality and a success. Congratulations to you all.
Thank you, Sarah and Payal, for your felicitous introduction. Now we will be playing a small video clip of our resilience of our journey towards success and through the microprocessor. hardly realize that we received a great deal more than we give, and that it is only with gratitude that our life becomes rich. So now I call upon Shabdi to give us the vote of thanks.
Good morning to everyone present here. I, Shabdi, a fourth from CS&E, feel honored and privileged to take the opportunity to propose the vote of thanks on the occasion of TechVistara 2017 and XATC project exhibition and arm poster project. It is indeed a very important day for us. We have our external viewer, Dr. Shanti Mahesh, and Mr. Anand with us for the exhibition. I, on behalf of CSE department, convey deep regards and hearty thanks to our external reviewers, the CS HOD Dr. Aishwarya P, the Maths HOD Dr. Nandanakshi, and all our teachers for gracing an inauguration ceremony and sharing their thoughts about the exhibition. We are greatly encouraged by everyone's gracious presence and immensely benefited by everyone's support. We are sure to continue to work hard, enhance our knowledge and expand the scope for us. I wish to express a profuse thanks to our HOD, our teacher Mrs. Nirmalata KL, for giving encouragement for this event and making it possible for us to showcase our efforts. My special thanks to the entire CSEU for their heart and soul, putting their heart and soul, making it possible. At the end, I once again thank everyone.
virtual food fetcher. It's basically a snake game where the snake fetches the food and increases in length as it fetches the food. And we can see the score also getting increased. Here we have formatted 4 keys, that is A, W, S and D. A is for moving left, D is for moving right, W for moving up and S for moving down. And we can press any key to enter the game. As the snake fetched the food, the length of the snake increased. And we can see the score getting increased here. And if the snake touches the boundary, the message is shown as "Oops, your snake is dead." We also have an option of quitting the game in between. That is by pressing the key. Pair this game by using the 8086 language, that is the assembly language, which can also be done with various other languages. Thank you.
Thank you.
So our project is security panel system. So we have used the Arduino software. We have used the Arduino software in this, which has been programmed, and the code is in the laptop. We have connected it through this cable here. So the
Application of this is that we connect it to any lock system. It works. So basically, what happens when you enter a correct password, it opens, and when you put an incorrect password, it shows invalid code. So for this system, the valid code is 4321. So when we enter the code, it shows verified.
we are giving the input through the keypad here. The password is 4321. So since the password is correct, it's shown verified. So now if we give now we have to
If we enter anything other than the correct password, it shows invalid key.
So it's showing invalid. So if we connect this to any log system, this can be, that's the application. We've made a temperature and humidity sensor. That is, we've used a DHT sensor that senses the temperature and the humidity in the room that it's present in. So the digital signal from the sensor goes to the Arduino, and we program the IC so that in the code, and that digital signal is converted into the result and then displayed here. And we've given a delay of 1 second, so it shows the temperature and humidity for every second. So it's in an infinite loop. Hence, so ours is a software project, and the project is shooting the balloon. So what we're doing is, we have a bow, arrow and the balloon. The player is supposed to shoot the balloon. So now, this is the output terminal. To start the game, you're supposed to press enter, and then this is the bow, that is the player, this is the balloon, and you're supposed to press spacebar for the arrows to move. Yeah, once the arrow shoots the balloon, you get a point, and you have 4 chances like this, and it's a loop. Yeah, now you've missed the balloon, so 1 chance is done. So like this, you'll have 4 chances. Yeah, now the arrow is moving towards the balloon. Yeah, and again it's missed.
And here you have a message which shows the number of hits and the number of misses. So whenever it's a hit, the hit gets incremented, and the misses, whenever there's a miss, the miss gets incremented.
team name is binary coders. We named it as binary coders because, as you know, binary consists of zeros and ones. And designing a program in binary is very difficult. That's why we named our group as binary coders. And today we are designing a program of word-based software game. The word to be guessed is represented by dashes. You have to keep game 1 letter and guess the word. Final word. If you guess the word right, you win, otherwise you lose.
Hi, myself Vinita. I'm going to show the output now. This is the word guessing game by binary coders and developed by user Vinita and Suraj and Supriya. And press enter. And press any E for easy mode or H for hard mode. We'll go for easy mode first.
Game is loading.
Then press any key to continue or Q to quit. Okay. This is the word guessing game by binary coders, and here word consists of six-letter words, and hints will be here. 3 hints are there. 6-letter words and game. This is a ball. The hints are 3. 6-letter word. It is a game and ball. Let me try this now.
Suppose I try game and ball. Suppose cricket. C. I give C.
Then
Okay, C is there. It's the 3rd letter word.
C is occupying the 3rd letter of that word.
That means it can't be cricket because C is
Yes,
first
yes.
word.
Then
It is some other. Okay, O is next. So it should be hockey.
it's O-E-Y.
Y.
Then
Okay, you win.
Yeah.
Display this.
What we guessed is correct.
And if you want to continue the game or quit the game.
Yeah.
Suppose we quit and now suppose last time it was easy or hard?
Easy. Now we will go for hard.
We'll click on H for hard. H. Game is loading. Continue. Click anything. And again it continues like this. Suppose this accessory outer garment top.
The word consists of 6 letters.
6 letters.
The hints are accessories and other outer garment
garment.
and top.
Suppose outer garment
We'll
could be
try to
sweater.
guess.
Yes, no, it's wrong. We have 4 times left.
Yeah.
You can suppose give some other word. A. Okay, A is there. Then we have 3 times left. Let's okay, that also wrong. 2.
We'll try for go for jacket.
Jacket. J A C T.
That's correct.
Okay, you win. Okay, strong wins win. What can it be? Maybe it is. Okay, so you lose. It comes like this. You get hand.
This
And
is
then
a
finally click to quit the game.
yeah. This is a Thank
This is
you.
our program. Thank you all.
I'm Saida. I have my team members Rashmi, Rupal, Rakshita, Ramesh, Ravichandra, Praneet and Sankar. Our team name is Code Makers, and we made a project on tic-tac-toe game. We made an assembly language code on this game. I'll show you the execution. We have given the input. User is X and computer is P. This is the show board. This shows wherever we input our keys, and this says enter your move 1 to 9. So suppose if we give 3, our input has gone to the 3rd position and the computer's position comes to 1. We then give our input to 9 and then our position comes here and the computer position goes to 2. We then give 7 and the computer position goes to the 4th one. We then give it to 8 and this shows that X wins. This is the code of our project. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Rishikesh Pandey.
I'm Aishwarya. I'm Rakshita.
We are from the team Infinitely. Basically, our project is called Bidirectional Visitor Counter. It counts the number of people in the room.
So basically what we have in the project, the major components are the 2 sensors. One is used for the entry and the other is used for the exit. We also have an LCD and the Arduino which we're using. The basic concept is that whenever there's an obstruction in the path of the sensor, it sends a signal to the Arduino. The Arduino then compares the voltage with the help of a comparator and increments or decrements of the count depending upon which sensor sent the signal to it.
So whenever there's an obstruction in its path, it's incrementing the number of people in the room. The applications of this would be in the automatic fans and lights that we see. When a person enters, the fans and lights go on, and when they exit, it goes off. Thank you.
Hello friends, we are code sensors and our group members are Ravi, Saurabh, Sarika and myself Tejasvi. Our project is array operations and I'd like Ravi to continue with it.
So basically we are doing these 5 or 6 operations, like arranging in ascending order and descending order. Third one is checking for odd and even, check for prime number, searching the key and concatenate the array. So suppose if you enter the first option, case 1, so arrange in ascending order. So we'll keep on entering the elements like any element. The range is 10. So you have to enter 10 elements like that. So now we got elements in sorted form in ascending order like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if we go for second option like in descending order, we'll enter the choice 2. So similarly we have to keep entering the elements. After that the element will be sorted in descending order. Suppose if you want to check for even or odd, so we'll enter option number 3. So suppose enter any 4, so 4 is even, like that. It will keep on displaying the result. Suppose if you want to see this result, 6, concatenate array and find length. So we have to enter 2 array in this, and the both will get combined, and it will also find the length of both the array. Enter the first number, so we can enter a number or a string, anything. Our second number, because we are combining 2 arrays, so we can now here the length of first number is 7. As we can count here, there are 7 characters. Length of second number is 8. So after concatenating these 2 arrays, we got finally this result. Now if you want to check for prime number, we enter option number 4. So we enter any number, suppose 1. So 1 is not a prime number. So after doing all these operations, you can quit the our operation, like 7 is exit. So if you press 7, so we will come to control mode. Now we have made one more program of gaming program. C.exe. Basically it's a guessing game. We have declared a single number in our program, and the user have to guess that number. What is that number? So the range is 0 to 9. Suppose we press any number like 5, this hint is coming, guess higher. So we have to guess higher number because the actual number is higher than 5. So this is the hint. Suppose we press 3, so it's coming guess higher. Again we have to guess high number. So we have to go for 8. 8 is less than the actual number. So it is showing the hint like guess lower number. So the final we declare 7. So yeah, we have got the actual number. So our guess is correct, like that. So this is it. That's all guys. Thank you a lot.
Hello everyone, we are the team Code Breakers and this is our team. Our project is the Arduino based ultrasonic radar system, and then she's going to explain.
Okay, so what we are using over here is we're using an Arduino, a servo motor and an ultrasonic sensor. So the objective of our project is it detects all the objects around the sensor and specifies the distance from the object. How the sensor works is, you see that there are 2 openings in the sensor. One of the openings sends out the ultrasonic waves which reflects from the object, and the waves are returned to the other opening. This returns the duration of the waves being reflected. The duration is used in the distance formula, which gives us the distance from the object. And the output is...
So the output here is a GUI. Okay, so to open it we use processing. run the GUI, we go to run. And so this is going to start detecting objects. So whenever it sees an object or when it detects an object, it goes red, and when there is no object, it goes green. And here the sensor will sense objects only till 40 centimeters of distance, not beyond that. This is the GUI, and you can also get the distance using the monitor screen of the Arduino code that is put into the Arduino. So this will give you the distance at every angle. Every angle, if there is an object, it will give you the distance, and this distance is in millimeters.
Thank you for watching.